Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make good leads in FL Studio. We'll start by selecting a powerful synthesizer and a foundational waveform. Understanding basic sound design is crucial for creating leads that truly stand out. We'll focus on subtractive synthesis, which is a highly effective method for achieving clear and punchy sounds. This approach ensures your leads cut through the mix with precision and impact. Next, we'll dive into shaping your lead's dynamics using envelopes. Carefully adjust the amplifier envelope's attack, decay, sustain, and release to give your sound character. Then, introduce a low-pass filter to manage the lead's brightness, ensuring it sits perfectly in your mix. Modulating the filter cutoff with a dedicated envelope adds incredible expressiveness, making your lead evolve over time and capture listener attention. Now, let's enhance your lead with essential effects. Begin by adding a touch of distortion or saturation to introduce warmth and harmonic richness, making the sound fuller. A subtle chorus effect can significantly widen your lead, giving it more stereo presence without sounding muddy. Finally, use delay and reverb sparingly. Just a hint can add immense depth and space, making your lead truly professional and captivating. For the final touches, proper mixing is paramount. Use an equalizer to precisely carve out unwanted frequencies and boost the lead's most impactful areas, ensuring clarity. Apply compression to control its dynamics, making it more consistent and increasing its perceived loudness without clipping. Consider panning your lead slightly to one side. Even a small adjustment can create valuable space in your stereo field, allowing other elements to breathe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.